Hello friends, let us solve next problem, which is nothing but this one, a square prism. Okay, now this is the problem of prism, not the pyramid. Okay, base edge of 35 mm, okay, axis side 70 mm long, which is resting with its base on HP such that one of its rectangular face is parallel to VP. One of its rectangular face is parallel to VP. Now this is what is we are going to draw. Lateral part we are going to draw in the next lecture. Okay. So for drawing this square, what we should draw a line of 35 mm. Okay, then a line of 35 and close. So now here one of the rectangular plane is perpendicular to VP. So whatever initial position we have drawn is correct one. Okay, now this is what is the base, isn't it? Now we need to locate its axis. So for locating its axis, we must have its diagonals. Okay, then through which we can draw the one axis. Okay, then if we take the projections, isn't it, and axis height is 70 mm. So let us offset this particular base by 70 mm and let us extend this line, isn't it? Again extend this slant line too and trim this. In the extend command only I have trimmed that particular part. Okay, now this is what is the center line, isn't it? Now we don't need this, okay, as this is what is the basic. Then dimensioning we need to give 35 and axis height from here to here, it is say 70, but selection point has to be from here. Selection point has to be from here. What change it is going to do is, see, there is gap over here. This gap we should have, so that it should not look like that it is the object, isn't it? Now what we should have the naming part. So if we give the naming, then A, B, C, D, then top surface is not required, actually not a problem. Then over here A, B, C, D, like this. Then we have to copy this particular line like this, and then we have to offset this to the 35. Four times, isn't it? And then if we draw these lines, this is what is nothing but the development. This is what is the perimeter of a square. Okay, this is what will be the development basically. Okay, now if we give the naming part over here, let us do it. So this is A, point A, okay, B, C, D. Again over here there will be 2 points lying on this particular line. And here axis will be there, so let us mark that too. Okay, let us edit now. edit. This is point B, C, D, M, N, B, C, D. This is M. This is N, isn't it? A. This is B. This part is C. This part is D. Okay. Now axis we have not drawn, so let us draw it. Let it be. Okay. So this is what is the solution of an basic problem. If the basic problem is being asked, so you are supposed to draw this much of the portion. Understood? I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much.